Is your skin irritated, angry, and freaking out? Hey, Dr. Will Kim, dermatology resident here. Come follow along as I show you one of my nighttime skincare routines that will calm down irritated and angry skin. Today's skincare routine will be a 6-step skincare routine. I'm going to be starting off with a double cleanse today. My first step is going to be this Bubble First Class Oil Cleanser. I always like to do a double cleanse no matter what in order to get off all of my makeup and residue from the day and just gently break down any of this makeup that I have on today. My one critique of this oil cleanser is I almost wish there was just a little bit more slip and slide with it compared to other oil cleansers and micellar waters that I use. This one just doesn't have as much slip and slide. It definitely does get off all of the makeup and sunscreen that I have on underneath, but because it just doesn't have as much slip and slide, I am just intentional in that I'm not gonna rub as hard as I would with another product that just might have a little bit more of that slip and slide. I'm trying to massage my oil cleanser into my nose a little bit more these days too, just to see if this might help a little bit with my sebaceous filaments. Of course, sebaceous filaments are normal to have, but for some of us who are a little bit more oily like myself, those sebaceous filaments can just become a little bit more prominent. And so I'm testing out to see if using an oil cleanser for a little longer on my nose helps break up some of those filaments that are a little bit larger and that oxidize to form some of those blackheads. Okay, so I'm gonna wash this off and I'll be back. I've finished using that oil cleanser to my face, and I'm gonna go ahead and now use the Cerave Hydrating Facial Cleanser as my step 2. This is a really good cleanser for anyone who has irritated or sensitive skin. About 2 pumps of this. I have been going a little extra hard with my topical vitamin A these days, and so my skin, it's not too sensitive today, but it is a little on the sensitive side, and so I do just want to make sure I'm not over treating my face with too many actives. What I'm going to do today is focus on gentle skincare and give my skin a chance to rest and recover. I've been really lucky that I haven't been having too much irritation from my topical vitamin A's recently. I'm really grateful for that. All right, so let me go wash this off and I'll be back. I washed off that cleanser and I changed my shirt too because I had gotten it wet. My third step today is going to be the Roche Posay Thermal Spring Water, small size. It's been a while since I used this. Just shake it up. Whew. That was a lot. I do really like these. This one was a gift, so I didn't purchase it myself. I've gotten samples of these throughout the years during residency, and I've really enjoyed it. One of my former co-residents swore by this as his secret to really glowy and beautiful skin. This is a really good step. This thermal spring water, patients in Europe with really bad eczema and whatnot, they will actually go to these dedicated thermal spring waters by Avene and La Roche-Posay. They'll go there as part of their treatment plan. Something that's really cool. I wish we had that available here in the US too, and maybe we do and I just don't know about it, but really healing for some of our patients. For me, I like to use it instead of the 6-peptide skin booster, almost in place of that step, providing a little bit of hydration to my face. My fourth step is going to be this Madagascar Centella Ampoule by Skin 1004. Centella is a really good healing ingredient, and this product line as a whole is just amazing. I'm going to do 2 droppers of that. This product seems to really help my skin whenever it's a little angry and inflamed. This is also a product that works really good under makeup too. So if I wake up on a particular day and my skin's a little bit angry, irritated, and I know I want to wear makeup that day, this is a product that I will incorporate into my morning skincare routine too. I do have an angry pimple right here. To lock all of this hydration now into my skin, what I'm going to be using is this Avene Tolerance Control. This is my favorite moisturizer to use whenever I've done a procedure like microneedling, a chemical peel too. This moisturizer really saves the day. Avene has a green barrier cream in this line too. I like to sometimes top my skin with that too, but today I'm not going to do that. So I did about 2 pumps. One more pump of this moisturizer, so I have enough to use on my neck. Whenever your skin is really angry and irritated, one of the keys during that time is to really let your skin heal. I am showing a lot of steps today, but if your skin is really freaking out, then I would cut out some of these. You could cut out this Centella, you could cut out the Roche Posay too. I know this works for my skin when it's sensitive, but if your skin is really freaking out, it's actually better to limit the number of products as much as possible. Use one gentle cleanser like the Cerave facial cleanser. You can follow that with a gentle moisturizer like this one by Avene. And then lastly, you can use a healing ointment to lock everything in on your face. My skin is not freaking out too much today. It's just a little bit irritated. This last step of the Cerave healing ointment is going to go on my lips. Let's say I was having a little bit of dryness and irritation, especially around the corners of my mouth or my nose, which can happen from a topical vitamin A like tretinoin. Applying a little bit of this Cerave healing ointment to those areas can really help to heal the skin. Certainly if your skin is really inflamed and you're having a bad retinoid dermatitis, at that point I would say hold off on your retinoid, go talk to your board certified dermatologist because they can offer other topicals that are prescriptions that can help calm things down, because when the skin is really angry and inflamed, it can be difficult to control that with just over-the-counters. But if you're more on the mild side or just trying to prevent that irritation, a healing ointment like Cerave is amazing. Cerave healing ointment is more pricey than Vaseline. Plain old petrolatum Vaseline works just as great. This was all of the skincare routine today, and I just want to reiterate that if you are having skin that is really angry and freaking out, the most important thing that you can do is just limit your skincare routine to a simple 3 steps. The 3 steps that I would recommend are using a gentle hydrating facial cleanser like the one by Cerave, following that up with a bland moisturizer that has amazing humectants, emollients, and occlusives in there too, like the Avene Tolerance Control. And then lastly, in order to round out this routine, I would recommend using some sort of petrolatum product. The one that I used today was Cerave Healing Ointment, because that is going to act as an occlusive, which is really going to help lock everything into your skin in terms of moisture and all the goodness that you added to your skin. Today, I did show one that was 6 steps, and that was really because my skin was not too irritated today, just a little bit, and I know that this particular skincare routine works for me. But if your skin is angry, irritated, and freaking out, the best thing you can do is limit your skincare products to about 3 until things get better. And if they're not getting better, please go see a board certified dermatologist so that they can help you with your skin. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been incredible doing this YouTube channel, and I've learned so much in the past few months since starting this channel. I look forward to continuing to grow my channel with you all. One of my main goals this year is to stay consistent with my videos and learn and improve along the way. It has been difficult, I won't lie, managing this alongside residency, health like working out, and also my social life too with my friends and family, but it's something that has brought me so much joy this year, and I hope to continue and improve for you all. So if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. What do you like to use when your skin is angry or irritated, and what works for you? Also, if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them if I can. And until next time, I hope you all have a wonderful and safe week. Bye.